Hey, Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Tesla today. Here's why. Company reports on the 21st of this month, and as you guys know, this isn't a car company, it's a church. It's a religion, and you got to trade the religion by the charts. That's just the way it goes. You can love the company and you may not own any stock because maybe the stock isn't working. Or you can hate the company, but you love the stock because the stock's working. The bottom line is you have to trade what's in the chart as opposed to what's in your heart. That's just the bottom line. But with that said, it's important to know that this is probably the most widely watched stock and the most heavily traded stock that's on the market these days by retail traders. And right now, it is my belief that the retail traders are the ones that are really creating a lot of the price action. You know, you're seeing lower volume on a lot of these stocks and in the market in general, even though it's rising. And what that suggests to me is that there's not a lot of institutional overflow or a lot of institutional order flow. It's just, a lot of maybe institutions or trading firms taking the other side, basically making a market in stocks that retail traders are trading. And so if you can understand that, then you can also be trading this with a little more confidence. And in this case, I look at Tesla, and on Thursday's intraday high, the high was 439, right? And so as I look at this stock right now, I think next week your trade setup could be by literally right here, okay? If the stock breaks out above 439, then you're probably going to see a heck of a nice earnings run going into the 21st of the month. If it doesn't, why be long the stock? I mean, you want to be long because you want to make money. And if this is the resistance level right here, then there's no reason to buy here because you're not really giving up that much money in lost profits by simply waiting for the stock to give you a signal that it is breaking out. Okay, so all right, that's all I got for you. Nice, tight, short, and sweet. See you Monday.